Let's take a look at this example. First, we're supposed to look what happened in this circuit. We have ohmmeter connected to, I can say, 3 resistors. But 2 of them are connected to the positive terminal and to the negative, and 1 of them is connected only to the ground, or we can say to the negative terminal of my ohmmeter. If there is resistor connected like this only by 1 terminal, it means that there is no current flowing through this resistor. So it means when we calculate the total resistance of this network, we do not consider this resistance, okay, because this resistor is not connected. Okay, in order to consider this resistance, we have to make connection from this point to this point. But at this moment, these 2 resistors are not connected together. That's why I'm not going to consider one. Okay, R3 is simply disconnected from the circuit. So my total resistance is equal, because I have just 2 resistors, I'm going to use the formula which is called product over the sum. So I have R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2. Okay, this is the formula which allows me to calculate total resistance of 2 resistors only. So my R1 is equal 1.2 kilo ohms times R2, which is equal 2.2 kilo ohms, over 1.2 kilo ohms plus 2.2 kilo ohms. Okay, so R total is equal, I'm going to use the calculator, 1.2 exponent 3 times 2.2 exponent 3 equals, divide by open parenthesis, and I have 1.2 exp3 plus 2.2 exp3, close parenthesis, equals, I got 776.47 ohms. And this is the resistance which the meter is going to show up. And this is the answer for my problem.